So sometimes as an investor, you can go with the flow and ride it right on up for investments, companies. Other times you do much better and have significant returns going against the grain. Go against that herd and you oftentimes get your maximum returns. You buy when no one else does. We've talked about this in one of our contrarian investor videos. We're going to touch it again today because it's that important, and this creates so much opportunities for outsized returns. Let's go through it with another set of examples. So again, to make those huge gains that we're all looking for on our investments, you got to look for those industries that are out of favor. Right now, everything's looking high tech, AI. There's some good opportunities there, but there's also a lot of good opportunities in the overlooked sectors of the market. And we're going to talk about one of those sectors today, and that is medical devices. Medical devices, there's some outstanding technology, research. These are high science type companies that are producing some of the best components in the world for your health, my health, everyone's health. So again, remember, we've got population growth. We've got better access than ever to medical treatments. We have aging populations. We have lots of new innovations. And this is a slow, steady earner category. You know, it's growing typically 3 to 5% annually. And you all know it when you look at your medical expenses. Things are getting more and more expensive. So this goes right up with the market. But it's out of favor right now, which creates a fantastic buying opportunity in some of these great companies. We're going to highlight a couple of those today. And remember, to make outsized returns, go against the grain, go against the herd. And we're going to show you a couple more today. So first one up is Zimmer Biomet. So ZBH, hey, orthopedic, reconstructive products. Think your hips, joints, things of that nature. This is at $104 a share right now. It's been caught in this trading range for quite some time. Could be poised for a breakout as things will shift, and the pendulum always does shift. So it's down 15% year to date. It's down over 20% over a multi-year perspective. And again, at $104 a share, this is down from $170 a share just a couple of short years ago. So a lot of value seems to be on the table for you to grab with Zimmer Biomet. Hey, we're talking about a 21 billion market cap company. This is a big guy right here. Very small dividend, but they do pay you something to wait, and that's always good to have that. 0.9%, so almost 1%. It's consistent. It's not really going or doing anything. They're just giving it to you. The real value is when you buy the shares and ride it up in the next wave, as things will shift back again for Zimmer Biomet and the whole medical devices industry. This is about a $7.5 billion revenue company. And it's growing with the market right now. And again, the overall medical devices market is expected to be between $800 billion and $1 trillion in the next 5 years. So this is a huge market, which creates a lot of great opportunities. This is a highly profitable company, and this will be very sought after when things come back in favor for this industry. So the time to buy or to look at this is now. One other opportunity to talk about is Conmed, or CNMD. Hey, surgical device company worldwide, much smaller than Zimmer Biomet, but a fantastic opportunity, and it's $62 a share right now. This is down 43% year to date, and down even more significantly when you consider back in 2022, its highs were let me look at my notes, $148 a share. So it's down quite a bit. A 1.2 billion revenue company, growing modestly with the space, has good income and cash flow positions, a 1.25% dividend yield, so it's paying you something for your time and effort to hang in there. Again, the value with Conmed is when you buy it. You would be buying it now at very depressed levels historically, and this whole industry is ripe for a substantial rebound in the coming months, and it will probably go on for several years. Again, look at the aging populations, the high needs. A lot of these procedures were put off during COVID, and they're just coming online now. There's a lot of value in hanging on to Conmed. They're growing. They've made a couple of strategic acquisitions in recent years. So I like to see those type of things. It gives me a lot of confidence in the management team that they're looking to build a business, not just grow it and dump it on somebody. We're in it for the long term, and this is another fantastic opportunity here with Conmed. So I guess the moral of the story here today is don't be afraid to go against the herd. When everyone's looking over there, the opportunity is often over here. And that's when you're going to get outsized returns in your portfolio. And that's how you're going to build your $1 million or multi-million dollar portfolio. And you'll reap the benefits of this long into the future. Check it out. Check out the industry. Check out these companies. Leave me some comments below. Tell me what you think. And if you like what you hear, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, and I'm giving you more. Thank you.